Hi there, Brendan with RPS Solar Pumps here. I'm here to talk about a new tool we just added to our website. This is our well pump install assist tool. So a lot of our customers, when they're working with the flexible poly pipe in our turnkey kits, they have no issue installing a well pump on their own in an afternoon. Sometimes they choose to enlist the help of a friend, but it's usually a very easy process. This is a tool that can make that process even simpler. And at the same time, it can protect your well casing, protect your drop pipe, and protect your pump wire as you're installing or pulling a pump. So just a few notes about the specs of this tool. This is made of high strength steel and it's been powder coated for corrosion resistance. So if you need to do frequent well installs or you need to pull a pump a few years down the line to maintain it or something else, this is something that's going to stand the test of time. It's got these high quality polyurethane rollers. These provide a little bit of shock absorption, so it helps protect your pump as you're lowering it or pulling it from the well. One other thing to note, it has these flanges here that slot into the inside of the well casing. Now, this tool is sized for well casings with an internal diameter of more than 4.6 inches. We know that a lot of our customers have 4-inch well casings. That's the case for us as well. We have a 4-inch well casing that we're going to be demonstrating this tool on. But that's not the end of the world. You should be able to make this tool work. All you have to do is take these flanges, put them in a vise with some towels to actually protect the metal and the coating, then bend it so that you get an internal angle like this. That way it should be able to work on a 4-inch well casing. So stick with us and we're going to show you how we do that in our shop here.
To modify the drop assist for 4-inch well casings, all you need is a secure vise and some towels. After placing the towels on the vise clamps, turn the drop assist tool upside down and insert one of the flanges into the vise, clamping it down securely. Once the flange is securely held, push or pull on the body of the tool towards the direction of the locking screw. You'll want to take your time with this process, only bending the flange a few degrees at a time. After one of the flanges is bent inwards, place the other flange in the vise, protected by the towels, and clamp it down securely. Once again, carefully push or pull on the body of the tool to bend the flange inwards. After both flanges are bent inwards, check for fit in your well casing. Repeat this process until the flanges fit inside your casing. To install the drop assist on your well, insert the flanges on the bottom of the tool into your well casing. This can be a bit of a tricky process with a 4-inch well casing like the one we're working with, so just take your time and don't force it. Tighten down the butterfly locking screw once the flanges are securely inside the well casing. Tighten down the screw finger tight just until the screw end makes secure contact with the casing. Do not over-tighten the screw if you have a PVC well, as this can damage your casing. Check for side-to-side and front-to-back play to make sure the drop assist tool is secure to your well. After the drop assist tool is secure to your casing and your pump is prepped for install, you're ready to install your pump. For some installs, you may not be able to insert the pump while the drop assist is attached. If this is the case for you, insert the pump into the well casing and attach the drop assist tool to the casing once you have just enough clearance to insert the lower metal flanges of the drop assist. Continue holding the pump suspended below the lip of the well casing until the drop assist is secure. Once you've tightened the locking screw to the casing, simply feed the drop pipe over the rollers to install your pump. It's a good idea to have a rag or towel handy to wipe off the pump and drop pipe before it goes down into your well. This is an important step to prevent dirt and debris from making it into your well water. The drop assist also makes it significantly easier to pull a pump for maintenance. If you're using a well seal, start the process by loosening your well seal and pulling it off the well casing. Once you have some room to work, affix the drop assist to your casing, tighten the locking screw, and place your poly pipe and drop wire over the rollers on the drop assist. From here, pulling your pump is a piece of cake. Just pull the drop pipe up gradually until the pump is just below the top of your well casing. For some wells, you may have to remove the drop assist before you're able to fully remove the pump from your well. If you have other questions about the drop assist or any other products we offer, check out our website or call our friendly US-based team. Thank you and have a great day.